a Black Rose soundboard. There's a characteristic ding. And we are up and running. Of course, you get that message because it's not actually in a Black Rose. This soundboard, let me turn the volume up some. Okay, this soundboard had the misfortune of being connected to, or having the 5 volts switched between 5 volts and ground. Interesting thing, I don't know how the heck you do that, but it has been done. A little scratchy, but that's as good as you're going to get with a pre-DCS soundboard. So I repaired 2 jumpers on the back of the board that were just roasted like a toaster coil. And while it was here, I replaced 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 small capacitors, plus these 2 big 4700 microfarad caps. And this is as good as a Black Rose pre-DCS soundboard is ever going to sound. And I thank you so much for sending it. Enjoy some Black Rose.